In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert JSON data to Excel. So the first thing you want to do is type in expose JSON to Excel on Google, and then the first result you get is this link over here from expose products. Now you go into here, and then you can either type or paste the JSON content to convert, or browse it from your computer, which is exactly what I'm going to do right now, but you can also get it from URL, Dropbox, or Google Drive. So I'm going to click on Browse, and as you can see, under my downloads, I've got this random JSON file that I've generated over here. Click on it, press Open. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see the preview over here, and then you can either convert it to one sheet or into multiple sheets. I'm going to leave it as one sheet, and you can also select your table style. In my case, I'm going to choose this basic one, but you have many more down here, as you can see. And then once you've done this, make sure XSLX is selected, which is the Microsoft Excel format over here, but you can select many others, as you can see. Now click on Convert, and then it's going to start processing for you. And while that's done, you can click on Download Now over here, and it's going to download the XSLX file over here. And as you can see, I can now click on this downloaded file, and it's going to show up inside of Microsoft Excel, because I've just converted it, and all the data is available over here on one singular sheet as I've selected. Now I don't have an activated Microsoft Excel, so I'll show you how to get it inside the free online version of Microsoft Office 365. So you just go to your online version of Microsoft Office, go into File up here, click on Open, and then Open Files from this device, and you're gonna have it under your downloads. So you click on this, Open. It's going to start uploading it, and then it's going to open up for you in another tab. And as you can see, all the data is here, and I can start working on it. So that's it.